Okay, so let's draw up a graph so you can see what happens to your sales during a promotion event. On the horizontal axis, we have time. A typical promotion lasts about a week, so let's put some numbers in to represent each day. On the vertical axis, we have sales. As an example, let's put some realistic numbers in for a small list from $0 to $1,000. The first email you send out will bring in immediate sales. These are your hyperbuyers. They are people on your list that check their emails every day and will buy almost anything you have to offer, and usually buy one or more offers in your sales funnel. It usually takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for the sales to kick in. The next phase are your ongoing sales. These sales come in from first-time buyers and regular buyers who need time to read your sales letter. They also want to know what others say about the product and need more information on the subject before making a purchase, and usually need to see the offer a few times before they buy. The third phase is the closing down event. People don't like to miss out on a good deal, so you can either increase the price, remove any extra bonuses, close the offer for a few months, or take down the offer completely so they see a closed message. The end of a promotion attracts last-minute buyers and can account for more than 50% of your sales. So the profit zones in your promotion are the first 24 to 48 hours, the ongoing sales, and finally in the second spike about 24 hours before the promotion ends. So what if you have a small email list and you're selling a low-priced product like an ebook and your offer doesn't have many upsells? Well, one thing you might want to consider is shortening the duration of your promotion. So let's adjust the sales accordingly for a smaller email list, from $0 to $200. Now let's shorten the promotion to just 5 days. Notice how the curvature of the graph still remains the same. And notice how you actually create more room to present another offer. So if you're having success selling low-priced products, then keep the ball rolling. Then as you get more sales in, develop your product, improve the sales letter, and add more offers to your sales funnel. And then you can stretch out the promotion for 7 days and launch it to a new group of people. So let's take a look at some variations and potential issues you might experience. If you see results like this, then you're not getting enough email clicks, the offer itself doesn't convert, and you haven't got enough offers in your sales funnel to bring enough transactions, which results in a small volume of sales spread apart like this. If, however, you're selling high-ticket products like coaching or a setup service, you will tend to see results like this. The sales will come in, but they're spaced apart. There is usually a quiet period in the beginning, and then when the sales do come, they come in sparingly. However, keep in mind that just a handful of high-ticket sales can outperform a typical promotion with many transactions. Another thing to consider is your list size. If your promotion works on a small scale, it's very likely to work on a much larger scale without making any changes to the offer. So, for example, if you've maxed out at $1,000 a day with an email list of 20,000 subscribers, you can build a bigger email list of 200,000 subscribers and reach $10,000 in a day using the exact same promotion. The curvature of the graph will still be the same, and you'll get hyperbuyers in your first 24 to 48 hours, ongoing sales from your regulars, and last-minute sales towards the end. And your profit zones will still be the same, so it's definitely something worth thinking about. So, the key points in this video. Start off by building a small email list. Even 1,000 subscribers is enough to get going. That way you can send out emails, know your numbers, and understand the process. Don't overcomplicate things and start with one single offer, like an ebook. Sell it as soon as possible, then improve the conversion rates like your sales letter, sales video, email subject lines, and so on further down the line. Develop a deep sales funnel with many offers. This will increase the sale value with every customer and multiply your income. Aim to have at least 2 offers in your funnel and continue adding more over time. Adjust the duration of your promotion according to the type of product you're selling and the size and responsiveness of your email list. Focus on building a massive email list because you can put in the same amount of effort in a promotion but produce far greater results. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to build your first website to sell your own products, then be sure to visit the official site now from the link below. You'll get over 100 videos that show you what to do step by step. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.